Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to trade in Discord. First, you'll need to find a reputable trading server. These communities often specialize in specific games or digital goods. Once you join, carefully read their rules and guidelines. Understanding these is crucial for a smooth experience and to avoid any issues. Many servers have dedicated channels for different types of trades, so navigate to the appropriate one for your needs. To find safe trading servers, use Discord's search function or external directories. Look for servers with a large, active member base and clear, well-enforced rules. A good server will have dedicated moderation staff and channels for reporting issues. Always read through the server's About or Rules section thoroughly. This helps you understand their specific trading protocols and any requirements for participation. For secure trades, many servers employ bots or offer middleman services. A trading bot can help verify items or facilitate a secure exchange. For higher value trades, always request an approved middleman. This person acts as a neutral third party, holding items until both sides confirm the trade. Remember to keep all communication within Discord and never move to private messages for critical trade details. To avoid scams, always be cautious of overly generous offers. Verify the other trader's reputation by checking their roles, past trades, and community feedback. Never click on external links or download files from unknown sources, as these can be phishing attempts. If something feels off, trust your instincts and walk away from the trade. Report any suspicious behavior to the server moderators promptly to protect yourself and others.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.